welcome back to yet another video, Crown with Mobile. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're a newbie here, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button down below and join the Crown gang. So today is a Monday. It's now 10 to 7 in the morning. I'm going for my hair appointment, obviously taking you guys along. So I'm gonna film when I get there, because wow, the logistics of getting there, the ghetto. Stay tuned to see how the rest of the week goes. Bye.
Breaking and bending the spines. I hear the privileged rapper that they had to hit 6 times. Niggas be full of excuses after they taking their time. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Looking me dead in my eyes, you see all the time that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, you go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Pussy. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? What? Texting emojis, tongue out, eggplant bustin' went over her head. Catching my side of the studio, make him repeat what he said. Pussy. Yeah, let's have sex in the car.
Welcome to yet another day of this vlog. So in today's video, I have a client to do makeup, and I'm going to show you all the things I've already set up. I just have to do my bed. It's now past 7 and I've been waiting for her to come. So now I'm just going to do my bed, and then let me show you all the products that I have laid out for her look. She's going for a soft glam. I can't wait to beat the face and then get a little how I did. But yeah, other than that, it's just this is just about everything. This is makeup palettes, period. And then yeah, well, some of my brushes were not dry and I get it, so I had to get a plan. So I just used a hair dryer to to dry them out, and it worked actually. I was impressed. Yeah. Morning. So this was the 29th on Monday. I was going to write my learner's test. I was literally so annoyed and I was holding things in because something in the morning happened that annoyed me so much. But I was like giving it a cool bit of excitement here and there. And this pimple. But anyways, I just wanted to get it over and done with. So this is me on the way. Let me just leave you to enjoy the road.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something.
The truck's been so cold. But I paid Mama 10 rand to get this form filled because I didn't have a pen. So this guy was like, no, let me just fill it in for you. I feel like a cook, come cook. Patung, babam bakay. Koizukay. Hi. Yo. Hatong mansa ko kay hapagin na data ay rekapila connecte. Oh, batung banang tas. Batung vai na likining he loves, thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crowning with Ngobile, and join the crown gang. I'm just closing this video off. I did this look for a TikTok/Instagram real TikTok video. So I did this look for I will leave the links down below in the description box. And also I'm actually so glad that we ticked one thing off my vision board, at least because I did put a timeline to it, like before my birthday I want to get done with the learners, and I did just that. I'm so proud of myself. So yeah, it makes me happy. Like, it's nice to actually get things done for yourself, like the relief with it that you actually did that by yourself on your own. And it might not seem big or anything, but to me it is. So saying things it's actually very nice to know, to experience that. And yeah, I haven't had better days yet, but I'm so smoothly and I'm still but I hope you get my point. Sort of like to be honest, I don't even know what I'm saying. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Crowning with Ngobile. See you guys in the next video.